Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 5 of Selling Chicago. I am here with one of our top agents, Heather.
I'm so happy that you came out here to the suburbs, and I am so excited to show you guys around this beautiful home.
You know, people want, with their families, time at home to entertain, to have fun with friends and family. This is the type of square footage you just don't get in the city.
This club is a Scottish-style links course set right here in Romeoville. Our event space is open for anything as far as what people want.
One of the biggest reasons that we decided to do new construction is being locked down at home, we needed more space. We have tons of storage here. We were able to pick out some of our finishes and make this place our new home.